The Supreme Court today turned away a challenge to assault weapons bans in Connecticut and New York. The justices left in place a lower court ruling that upheld laws passed following the shootings at Sandy Hook Elementary School in Newtown, Connecticut. The families of 9 of those victims in Newtown are also suing the rifle company that made the gun used in that shooting. A judge heard arguments in that case today. Correspondent David Lee Miller reports on what's at stake.
Relatives of some of the victims who died at the Sandy Hook Elementary School mass shooting spent today in court. They are suing Remington, the manufacturer of the AR-15 semi-automatic rifle that Adam Lanza used to kill 20 children and 6 adults. In court papers, their attorneys described the rifle as a military weapon built for, quote, mass casualty assaults. Matthew Soda lost his 27-year-old sister, Victoria, a first-grade teacher at Sandy Hook.
Our actions here are meant to bring about change.
Remington, along with other defendants in the case, the distributor and dealer, have filed motions with the court arguing the lawsuit against them shouldn't be allowed to move forward, citing a 2005 federal law that broadly shields gun makers and dealers from litigation if a weapon is used to commit a crime. Remington's attorney told the judge lawmakers, not the courts, should set gun policy.
A personal injury case in front of a jury is not the place for a new policy to emerge on who should own firearms and what type of firearms should be owned.
Attorneys for the Newtown families say the case should be allowed to proceed because the federal law banning lawsuits against gun makers contains an exemption in the event of negligence. They argue selling an AR-15 to any civilian is negligence because of the gun's firepower.
The AR-15 is the most dangerous, most lethal instrument readily available to the civilian population. If it wasn't, it wouldn't be the military's weapon of choice.
AR-15 style weapons are the most popular rifles sold in the U.S. A local gun rights group not affiliated with the suit says they have broad appeal.
There are millions of persons across this country who buy these firearms for target practice, for home protection.
The judge hearing the case says because of its legal complexities, it will be several months before she decides if it will go to trial. As of now, jury selection is slated for April 3rd, 2018. Shannon?
All right, David Lee Miller, thank you.